Welcome back to Baking with the Bullocks.
So today is going to be a little bit different. Normally we show you like all the measurements and the whole process, but today we're just going to let you guys just sit and watch and just enjoy the festivities. So we actually are doing a bit of a surprise for our nephew / godson's mommy. Her birthday is actually Sunday, so we're doing like a little cooking video here and showing you what we're doing. We're doing cupcakes, we're doing brookies, that's brownies and cookies, a mixture of the two. We actually are doing the strawberry moist cake mix, super moist yellow cake mix, so it's going to be super, super wonderful. So you're looking at cupcakes, cookies / brookies, brownies. It's going to be amazing, guys.
High quality bacon.
Yeah, and we are going to show you a little bit of a Walmart haul in a minute here. So if you just come down this way, love.
Okay.
Alright, so at Walmart, and we're not sponsored or anything like that, guys. We just want to show you like some of the deals that we came across. So this is a 6-cup jumbo cupcake and muffin pan. We thought that would be really cool to get this. And actually the price was only $6.64 for that one.
Alright, so next up we have the 12-cup cupcake pan. It's gold. Now this, guys, we got for $7.76 at Walmart.
Right at Walmart. And then this one here is like the mini cupcake pan. I'm actually going to probably do our brookies in this. It's like 24 of them.
Yeah, and it was $6.64 at Walmart.
Yep. The same as the jumbo one. And this one, well, all 4 of these, right?
Yeah. We actually found those at the Dollar Tree for $1.
Yep. And this is a jumbo one too. Now, hubby, he actually got this from Giant, so it's an older pan, so I'm not too sure what the cost is. So.
Not too sure. It's been a while.
But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started momentarily, so just keep on watching. And like I said in the beginning, we're not going to give like measurements per se or anything like that, or talk through the video like we normally do. We just want you to sit back and watch. I know for me personally with cooking videos, I actually simply like to watch and kind of listen to the music, and I don't know, it's a really great atmosphere and experience. So I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching. this has been Baking with the Bullocks, and we hope you guys enjoyed everything that you saw here. Again, this was a huge surprise for our nephew's mom. She's such a special young lady to us, so I hope she loves everything. Again, we did a variation of cupcakes. We did approximately 23 of them, and garnished them very well.
Yes, we did.
And we did about 30 brookies, so I'm super excited to see her reaction when she sees it, and the family will enjoy it and everything, and I'm super, super excited.
Yeah. So don't forget to give this video a real fat like. And don't forget to comment down below, any ideas you guys have. And if you haven't joined the family, go ahead and subscribe. And put that notification bell on.
Exactly. And also, too, you can follow us on all social media platforms. We are actually on...
We're on Facebook?
Yeah, we are on Facebook, but mostly Instagram for Willie and Desiree. Just look up Willie and Desiree and you can't miss us, and we'll keep you guys updated on different things that we're going to be doing there. Yes. So yes, Instagram, Willie and Desiree.
Twitter.
Yes, also Twitter, Willie and Desiree as well.
Willie Desiree 2020, and then Willie and Desiree on YouTube. Of course, you're already here.
Yes, so we just pray that you guys really enjoyed everything. Again, like my hubby said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and
we'll see you in the next video.
We will. And also, too, stay tuned. We're actually going to be having our seafood boil coming up, and that'll actually be our anniversary wedding weekend, or week rather, right?
Right.
So that's going to be exciting, so stay tuned for that. It's our first seafood boil that we're doing together, so...
we're doing it with you all.
Exactly. We hope that you enjoy it tremendously. And before we officially end it, we just want to show you our lovely cupcakes there. They're all ready to go for the celebration tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been grand.
We love you.
We love you very much. Signing off, Willie and Desiree.
Out.
Peace.
Peace.